Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'll be showing you how I decorated this lovely looking cake. This is a marriage anniversary stroke child dedication cake. It was an emergency cake I had on a set today to deliver on a Sunday morning, so I decided to bake early in the morning on Saturday, do my fondant and come back in the evening to decorate the cake. I was the only one working in the shop, so I decided to do paneling method. This paneling method, I said I will not turn it upside down because I'm the only one working, so I don't need story that touches the heart. So I decided to stand it straight and decorate all through. So let's work together as I decorate this lovely cake. Please, if you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new videos, so that if I drop new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like my video. Please appreciate this video by clicking the like button. Give me some thumbs up. Okay, feel free to invite a friend to this channel. Do you want to see how I prepared this lovely cake, both the red velvet cake, the vanilla cake? You can check on my videos. Go to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. Go to my videos. You will see all this lovely cake. My recipes are wow. If this is your first time, please feel free to check out my channels. You might see all the videos you have been looking for, because my channel is very loaded. I have more than 300 videos there for you. So sit back and enjoy.
I'm using water to stick the edges. For the body, roll out your fondant like a sausage with the measurement of your cake, just the round of the cake. Make sure you measure your cake round. The measurement, you will use it and do this sausage. If you're done, if you get exactly the measurement, you start rolling it out. Make sure you do this so that when you cover it, it will lap and it will be able to go round your cake. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. You can see our cake is already out. Please make sure you like my video. If you have not clicked on the like button, it's time. Just click on that like button. I appreciate this video and encourage me. As a baker, you need to also be creative. You need to try out new things to make your cake look different and unique. You can say this cake is looking so beautiful and different. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.